Hi, Seventh Earth Studios. I previously did a review and unboxing on that brand, which is actually the sweater that I'm wearing right now. That video covers a little bit about the brand as well as technical details like GSM and how that relates to the GSM in their products. So for a more well-rounded type of overall video, go check that out. The link is going to be in the description as well as the corner of this video. For this video, Seventh Earth Studios actually sent over a variety of products so that you guys could see the wide selection of products they offer as well as how they look and fit in a review setting. We normally shoot these in the office, which is where we're at right now, but you can't really get a really good view because I just back up and then show you how it fits. So right now we're going to be doing the unboxing here, and then I'll take it upstairs and then give you a little bit more in-depth review and show you the fit of their products. Okay, so we have the classic cards. All right, so it looks like everything's bundled up in one package. So we're gonna unbox one by one, and the first one we have is the NATO gray high mock shirt. It's very thick. So this is a mock neck shirt. So this shirt has about 455 to 460 GSM. It has a mock neck, drop shoulder. It's an oversized fit, and the quality seems really good. Fairly thick, but I will notice right off the bat, and I kind of looked at it with an extra light, it looks a little bit brown. It looks more brown than NATO gray. So this is charcoal gray. So you could see the difference right there. But then again, I only have one box light right here, but we'll go upstairs and we'll go look at the fit and you'll see the color a little bit better. And by the way, this video has no filter, so this is straight from the camera. More brown. This is charcoal gray. This is their NATO gray. And they do say color will always have 5 to 10% difference from photos. It looks pretty close to the photos. Next one is the dark marl gray Stonewash Crewneck. So this Crewneck has about 470 to 480 GSM, 100% double facing brushed cotton. Cotton is picked within 3 months of garment construction. Wow. Pre-shrunk and washed, and they say for pure cotton, always keep an additional 3 to 4% margin for additional shrinkage. Also has ribbed cuffs, drop shoulder, oversized fit with a cropped fit at the hem right here. So this is very similar to the hoodie I have right now because this is also a cropped hoodie. But looking at it, so the color is dark marl gray Stonewash. Looks a little bit blue to me from here, but we'll get a better idea when we go upstairs. Actually has a size small tag. Next one is a plain black hoodie. This is the SE465F1 model. 470 to 480 GSM, 100% double facing brushed cotton. This is a hybrid fleece. Cotton is picked within 3 months of garment construction. This color is jet black. No branding, ribbed cuffs, drop shoulder, and cropped fits. Oversized fit. No drawstrings, like the classic branding style. Just looking at it, big hood, and the label is actually the similar label from this hoodie. Has the logo with the size. So last one we have are sweats. These are the oversized sweatpants in dark marl gray Stonewash. It should be the same color as the Crewneck because they're both the dark marl gray Stonewash. 100% double facing brushed cotton, pre-shrunk and washed. No branding. From the photo of this product on the website, it looks much darker, but again, this looks very similar to the Crewneck where it's blue. 500 GSM, and it actually has the weight. This one's about 2.3 pounds according to the website. And the drawstrings are fairly thick and they're on the inside of the waistband. Got 2 pockets, no back pockets. All right, so now that we unboxed all of them, let's go upstairs and show you how they fit. All right, so this is natural lighting, no artificial lighting. So this is how it looks in that lighting. You can see the color. Looks like a faded blue to me. So the tag is a medium. I thought they sent Topher small, but it's actually a medium, according to the tag, and it fits pretty tight actually. So as far as the description where it says oversized, again, I think that might have been a typo, because it feels more fitted and it looks fitted. So I'm 5'9", 150 pounds, and I tucked in my shirt so you could see. This is where my hip bone is, up here. It's the back. So you have a standard size pockets, not too deep, just standard. Again, you have a fairly thick waistline, and the drawstring is hidden on the inside, right here. And as far as the cuffs, they're just as thick as the waistband, and they really, like, I have pretty skinny ankles, and they're pretty fitted to that. So, and then the length, this is probably as far as it goes right there. So it's at my hips, my hip bone's right here, and that is the overall length. But naturally it'll sit above my ankles, or at my ankles like that. Here's the crew neck. So I'm 5'9", 150 pounds. This is how it fits. Comfortable, you can definitely feel the quality of it. Now as far as the fit, so you have that drop shoulder. Shoulders, drop shoulder, this is where my collarbone, shoulder, and it cuts off right here. As far as the length, if I pull it out, it's as far as it goes, but naturally it'll sit where my wrist is at. So good length in the arms. There's not a whole lot of room, almost feels like a normal type of hoodie. The mock neck collar, I have about a 14.5 neck size, last time I measured, which is about 2 years ago, and it fits snug. So you have that snug but clean fit. Collar is about 2 inches in height. So it's about an inch. This is about an inch with my hands. So just ballpark, but not too far off. Yeah, the stitching looks like a lighter color stitching. And there's the texture and the color. Got the cuff. About 2, maybe a little bit more than 2 inches for the hem. It's inside. This is where my hip bone is right here. So if I pull it down, this is as far as it goes. So my hip bone is right here, and this is as far as it goes right here. So it is cropped and it fits. Again, if I lift my arms, it stays up just like the charcoal hoodie from the first review. So pull it all the way down, up, and there you go. But I haven't had any issues with the hoodie, rising up and being uncomfortable. It is what it is, and it doesn't bother me. This is also matched with the sweats in the same color. So if you could kind of see right there. Definitely blue, like a washed blue. So this is the hoodie. So immediately I could feel the difference. It feels oversized for sure, but much different than the charcoal hoodie that I was wearing previously. So off the bat, you have a really big kangaroo pocket up front. And this is a size small, 5'9", 150 pounds. This one is not cropped. Or at least it doesn't feel cropped. So you lift your arms, comes right back down. Like your standard normal hoodie. There's a lot of room. You have a slight oversized drop shoulder, not too much compared to the other ones. The sleeve at full length. Not as tight as the mock neck sweater, crew neck sweater. And the hood, pretty big. And everything's all black, including the stitching, so looks clean, one color, no branding. Has a good weight to it. Although on the inside, it is different. Don't know if you could see that. Not sure if the camera's picking that up. But the inside is different compared to the mock neck sweater. So it feels like a good standard oversized hoodie. The quality does feel much better than most sweaters I've had. It feels a little different compared to the charcoal hoodie that I wore, as well as the mock neck sweater. But thickness, you could feel it, and it's extremely soft on the inside. So it's got that clean, classic aesthetic. Black, no drawstrings, good fit. This is the mock neck shirt. Oversized fit, definitely oversized. I feel like I could get a lot of airflow through it. But again, 5'9", 150 pounds. And this is a size small, where the tag says small/medium, S/M. Thick, just like the other pieces. As far as color, it looks, so it's supposed to be NATO gray, but it looks, in natural lighting, it looks like a muted brown. A muted type of light brown. More so that than NATO gray. So, length comes down to about my elbows. You lift, you could kind of see my stomach. So my belly button's right here. And then my hip bone is right here. Not sure if that helps with showing you how much it rises. Drop shoulders starts right here at the bottom of the delts. Oh, right here. Mock neck, I have a 14.5 neck size. This one, there's a good amount of room in between, as you can see. So it's not snug. It's just nicely fitting. Room to move. Get some airflow through there. The quality is definitely there. So this is the inside, the shirt, and here's the outside. Hopefully this gives you guys a better idea of 7th Earth Studios and how a variety of their products fit. So again, 5'9", 150 pounds. A lot of people ask in the comments, but I just want to make sure you guys know so that you guys get a better idea of how 7th Earth Studios products fit. Again, I tried on a shirt, a crew neck sweater, a hoodie, 2 different hoodies actually. So we have the black one, and then from the previous video, we have the cropped charcoal gray hoodie and their sweatpants. So hopefully that gives you guys a good idea of the fit and the look of their products, not just from their website or the ads, but you know, from a normal review. Again, this video has no filters, so that'll give you guys a better idea of the color, the finish, all that stuff. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in more of the brand, I'll link all the products down in the description, as well as again the review on the charcoal hoodie, which also talks about more technical details like GSM and the brand. So that'll again be linked down in the description as well as the corner of this video. Also, before I forget, and you've probably seen it on the screen this entire video, but I do have an affiliate code. It's called TOPHER, or TOPHER is the code, and it gives you guys 10% off your entire order, and it also gives me a commission to help fund this channel. So thanks again for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know what you pick up in the comments below, and I don't know why I did that. Peace.